right, let's talk about it. With everything going on, people are saying, oh my gosh, clean, clean, clean. I was a germaphobe before all the hoopla. I'm going to be a germaphobe after all the hoopla. So basically, clean. All the main things you can take to provide for yourself to stay clean are super inexpensive. You can find them at Dollar Tree, Walmart, even at Target. There are just so many thrifty ways to stay clean and clean your environment without you having to spend tons of money. I mean, honestly, when you get somewhere, clean it. Take things with you. Like sometimes I bring my own towels when I travel because my towels are softer and I wash them and know they're clean. But like I said, this is going to be just a brief video talking about thrifty ways to clean while you're taking a trip. People don't understand you have to keep yourself clean as well inside and out. So make sure the things that you're eating are clean. Not necessarily vegan or all that stuff, but just make sure they're clean. If you're going to eat vegetables and all that, make sure you really wash your vegetables. Make sure you really wash them before you eat them. I wash mine with apple cider vinegar, and it just works better that way. Also, clean where you stay. Whenever I get somewhere, I always take Lysol wipes or Lysol spray or antibacterial wipes, and I wipe down the bathroom, the toilet. I spray down the sheets. I spray down the pillowcases. I wipe down the nightstand. I wipe down everything, including the doorknobs and the phone when I get there, as well as on planes too. Wipe down the seat and window. A lot of people don't understand your breath matters. If you have a clean mouth, you're good. Breath smells good. Tongue's clean, you're good. Because think about it, if you cough, sneeze, or anything, whatever's coming out of you is getting everywhere. Keep that in mind. Washing your hands. Everybody knows washing your hands is the best way to go. Even with the hand sanitizer and all of that stuff. Wash your hands. Hand sanitizer is great, but hand washing is so much better. Especially if you bring your own antibacterial soap instead of using the hotel soap. Keep that in mind as well. Snacking. Everyone's like, ooh, I can eat my favorite snacks. But if you're eating chips or anything that gets residue on your fingers, and then if you lick your fingers, ew. If you're, just be smart with what you eat. I like granola bars because guess what? You unpeel the wrapper, eat it, your fingers don't touch it, out of the packaging, right into your mouth. Simple. And then headphones. I know international flights tend to provide headphones, but what's so wrong about having your own? Your own germs are on it. Wipe it down, spray it down, put it back in your case. No harm, no foul, no worry. You don't have to worry about someone's touched it, someone's touched the packaging. It's just yours and you're safe. Another thing, I can't say this enough. I usually on every trip, whether it's a week-long trip or a short trip, I take so many antibacterial wipes because literally when I first arrive, I wipe down everything. The doorknob, the nightstand, the phone, the window. I sometimes, depending on it, I'll wipe down the floor of the shower. I'll wipe down the headboards, anything that I might touch. Face mask. Everyone's been saying, oh, well, if you're not sick, you should be wearing a face mask. I think about it like this. If you fall asleep on the plane and someone sneezes around you in your sleep and you're not fully aware and they're not covering their mouth, I'd rather have a face mask to be safe than chancing it. So again, I wanted to keep this brief, but I wanted to share that being clean can be thrifty. You don't have to spend a lot of money to sit there and be clean while you travel. Hope this helps. As always, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a good one.